Happy New Year. 2022 is here, and I just want to I'm reflecting upon what has given me the wins and the losses in my life, personally and professionally. And it comes down to one thing: making decisions based on my vision versus my situation. I'll give you an example here. When I played college football, I had a vision of playing college football and then going above and beyond that. And when I got hit with reality, I started making decisions based on my situation versus the vision of being a starter, a captain, an All-American, all of that. That went to the wayside, and I focused on the situation at hand. So I failed miserably. I blamed the coaches, I blamed politics, I blamed everybody but me for the situation that I was in, which wasn't starting. I wasn't getting the opportunities that I felt like I deserved. But realistically, in my own mind, I was just defeating myself. I was in a victim state of mind, and I was basing my decisions based on my situation, not my vision. On the other side of things, when I made decisions based on my vision versus my situation, I've experienced great success, personally and professionally. An example is when 2017 or 16, when I started working with Charles Poliquin in his mentorship program, I started making decisions based on my vision, how I looked, how I trained, how I was as a professional, how I was as a coach, as a trainer. And I started making decisions based on my vision, getting up early, prioritizing my nutrition in the right ways, optimizing my lifestyle and my environment to be all channeled towards fulfilling my vision. And I succeeded greatly in that. And each and every day we have the opportunity to make decisions based on vision or our situation. And sometimes the situation will be so shocking to us that it shapes our vision going forward in both in good and bad ways. So this is not a one size fits all. This is not a simple just plug and play and just be the one who makes decisions based on their vision, because, well, as we know, life throws things at us, throws wrenches in the gears. And we have to be willing to persevere through those things if our vision and a conviction is strong enough to persevere through those roadblocks, limitations, and detours. And you have to remind yourself why you're putting this vision in place. What is your mission behind the vision? Does that mission lead you to the vision? Do your values, is what you're prioritizing right now fulfill your vision? And these are the things that you have to constantly remind yourself and put yourself into the present moment when making a uncomfortable decision, when making a hard choice. Ask yourself if it's being made out of a place to fulfill your vision, or is it based on the fear constriction of the situation at hand? And when you can step above and beyond that and know within yourself that you're making decisions based on your vision, you are surely going to be setting yourself up for more success, more wins in 2022. So put that in mind as you create your goals for 2022. Use it to refine your vision, because you can certainly have an end goal in mind right here, right now, and have known it for days, months, years. Or you could be searching for that vision and what that is. And that in and of itself is fulfilling your vision by becoming more clear and continuing to reach to get clarification on that end goal, that vision that you wish to reach, that vision that you're striving for. So there's process-based goals, and then there's targeted goals. You need to get clear on the target, but you also need to get clear on the processes that are going to get you to that target. And sometimes just putting the process goals in place when you don't know the specific target is enough to get clarity and create traction to get you to the next step to ultimately identify that target and get clear on what it is that you're reaching for. Your decisions get more sound, you get more in tuned. It's like tuning the radio and eliminating the static, or moving the antenna and getting more of a clear message. And that's going to get you more focused, and that focus is going to bring you more results in less time. It'll make everything that you do that much more concise and concentrated and effective. So here's the 2022, you reaching your goals, making decisions based on your vision over your situation. That's it for now. Take care.